Mr. Narendra Modi, who will make
The NDA Sarkar is now up and running, with 293 seats in Parliament, comfortably above the majority mark of 272.
people who have come here.
Key allies, the TDP and the JDU, have both voiced unequivocal support to Narendra Modi. But the opposition India Alliance still thinks that Modi 3.0 is in minority. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has fired a fresh salvo. Speaking to Financial Times, Rahul said that, and I quote, "The numbers in the Lok Sabha were very fragile," adding that the smallest disturbance can drop the government, unquote. Rahul added, and I quote, "Basically, one ally has to turn the other way." Without specifying any names, Rahul claimed that people from the NDA are in touch with us and that there was great discontent within the Modi camp. The Congress leader stated that the ruling coalition will struggle because what worked for Narendra Modi in 2014 and 2019 is not working. It was Congress President Kharge who had first claimed that the Modi government was a minority government.
मोदी जी को एक तो मैंडेट नहीं है और माइनॉरिटी गवर्नमेंट है। ये गवर्नमेंट कभी भी गिर सकती है।
This is not going to be a stable government. Everybody know that. That's why we are very much vigilant on 24/7 about the people's issue, which we have raised in the public domain.
Now, Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray faction has also declared that it is looking for an opportunity to topple the Modi government.
हमें पूरा विश्वास है, जैसे राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा है कि हम चुप बैठे नहीं हैं, जब भी हमें मौका मिले ये सरकार को गिरा दें।
अब वो सर्टिफिकेट देने वाले कौन होते हैं? श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की लीडरशिप में एनडीए ने 293 सीटें जीती हैं और 5 साल सरकार बहुत स्मूथली चलेगी।
The India Alliance has its eyes on JDU and TDP. JDU has 12 MPs and TDP has 16 MPs in the current Lok Sabha. If both parties leave NDA, then the number of NDA MPs will come down to 265, which is 7 less than the majority mark of 272. And if both the parties join hands with India Alliance, then the opposition alliance will reach 263, which is 9 less than majority. Apart from both the alliances, there are 14 more MPs in the Lok Sabha.
राहुल जी ने जो कहा है बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है कि इस सरकार अल्पमत की सरकार है, भाजपा के अल्पमत की सरकार है और इस पे ताजुब तब नहीं होना चाहिए जब ये सरकार गिरे। ताजुब तब तक होना चाहिए जब तक ये सरकार चल जाए। या तो मोदी जी अपनी कार्य प्रणाली बदलेंगे, अमित शाह जी बदलेंगे, और अगर नहीं बदलेंगे तो ये सरकार चलेगी नहीं।
मुंगेरी लाल का हसीन सपना राहुल गांधी जी दिन के उजाले में ले रहे हैं और ये बयान उनका 2014 से चल रहा है। तो ये मुंगेरी लाल का हसीन सपना जो पिछले 10 साल नहीं पूरा हुआ, आगे भी पूरा होने वाला नहीं है।
स्वागत भाषण के साथ
It is true that politics and politicians are unpredictable. What happens next? Will Modi 3.0 last its full 5-year term? We will have to wait and watch.